The term SWIFT code refers to the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, which is a combination of letters and numbers used to identify banks and financial institutions. It typically consists of 4 letters that identify the bank, followed by 2 letters that identify the country, and 2 letters that represent the location code, with the last 3 digits being optional and usually indicating the branch code. For instance, a bank's SWIFT code might break down into several parts, such as the bank's identifier, the country code, the location code, and the branch code. In contrast, IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number, which includes both the routing number and account number. However, not all countries utilize IBAN, with the United States and Canada being examples of countries that do not use it, whereas many European countries do. As a result, IBAN and SWIFT code are not interchangeable, and one cannot be used in place of the other.